In the xy coordinate plane, a line travels through the points 0, 0, 3p, and p27. We want to know what could be the value of p. Well, this problem hinges on your understanding of one important concept, and that concept is slope. As a reminder, slope describes the steepness of a line, and we can remember it in this alliterative fashion: rise over run. So the idea is, if we take 2 points on a line and we do the difference of the y values, that is how far I went up or down vertically, divided by the difference in the x values, x1 minus x2, how far I traveled over horizontally, that's going to give me the slope. So let's apply this to the points that we have. We'll start with these two, right? What is the slope between the point 0, 0, and 3p? Well, I'll plug it in my formula here. On the vertical axis, on the y-axis, I went from 0 to p, so p minus 0, which is a distance of p. And on the horizontal axis, I went from 0 to 3, and so that's 3 minus 0, or a distance of 3. Aha. So I can say that the slope of this line is p over 3. But that doesn't help me. Here's how I solve it. Now, let's look at these 2 points, 0, 0, and p27. I could use 3p and p27, but that'd be a lot of p's running around. I'd rather keep it as simple as possible. So we'll take 0, 0, and p27 and do the exact same thing. What's the slope between 0, 0, and p27? Well, I went up from 0 to 27. That's a distance of 27. And I went over a distance of 0 to p, so that's a distance of p. Where do I go from here? Well, here's the big aha moment. The slope of the line doesn't change, right? The slope of the line from 0, 0 to 3p is the same as the slope of the line as 0, 0 to p27, and it's the same as the slope of the line from 3p to p27. The slope is consistent. So that means that these two values are equal to each other. And from here, all we have to do is cross multiply. So 27 times 3 equals p squared. We get p squared equals 27 times 3, which is 81. And the square root of p is 9. But it could also be negative 9, right? Because we're squaring it, right? So p squared is equal to 81, meaning the answer is 9 or negative 9. But they said what could be the value of p. Correct answer here is D. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my live online GRE course, follow the link on my profile.